Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, October GST mop up, second highest ever. Next, Sensex at a market 61,000 now, just 1% away from all-time high. Next, Center aims to finish rupees 5 trillion stalled projects. Next, common ITR firm with focus on crypto likely. Next. JJ Irani, the steel man of India, passes away. Next, Sun Pharma quarter 2 PAT rises 10.5% to year on year to rupees 2,262 crore. The next, fintech shadow banks of current time are fragile. Next, RBI e-rupee pilot takes off. Next, financial minister list climate finance crypto regulation has key G20 agenda. Next is interest rate surge hurts corporate profits. Then we comes to page number 2. On that, Google pauses Play Store billing in India. Next, JSW may close rupees 10,000 crore Mithra deal for by year end. Next, Tata Group to add up to 45,000 workers at iPhone part plants. Next, over for 75 planes grounded due to engine maintenance issues. CAPPA. Next, WhatsApp banned 2.68 billion accounts in India in September. Next, Reliance Retail rollout Athelsure brand accelerate on Agio business. Next, Games 24/7 to invest rupees 400 crore in Indian startup in 5 years. Next, Ola electric sales reached 20,000 units in October. Next, IT department rates 2 luxury watches sellers in Delhi. Next, Google pauses Play Store billing in India. Next, PVCs get a festive high in October. Sales see sharp rise. Next, Airtel eyes rural market to narrow gap with Jio. Next, Sun Pharma quarter 2 PAT rises 10.5% year on year to rupees 2,262 crore. Next, Tech Mahindra profit down 4%. Moonlightning okay at firm. Planning policy Gurugani. Next, Flipkart India's loss widened to rupees 3,404 crore. Next, Nykaa profit more than double in quarter 2. Next, UPL quarter 2 net up 25.919% at rupees 6,969 crore. Next, JK Tires profit dips 23% to rupees 50 crore. Next, Adani Port quarter 2 profit jumps as cargo volume surge. Then we comes to page number 4. On that, EPFO aims to invest more in equity for younger members. Next, trade data sharing encrypted access in works. Next, at 12.6%, credit to industry grew fastest in 8 years. Next, UPI transaction hit record 7 billion on festival demand. Next, manufacturing PMI recovers to 55.3 amid easing pressure. Next, OEM to drive 16 to 18% rise in auto part MSME revenue. Next, gold demand hits pre-pandemic levels. Next, festival uh, season propels petrol diesel sales to highest in 4 months. Next, Coal India production increases 17% in April October to 352 MT. Next, India has been leading defense exporters in recent years. Next, gold demand hits pre-pandemic levels. Next, manufacturing PMI recovers to 55.3 amid easing pressure. Next, Vivek Joshi takes charge as DFC security. Amrit Lal has coal security. Chitra Ramakrishnan, mastermind behind controversy, ED tells a high court. Next, Canadian exploiting us for cheap labor, say Indian student. Next, commercial LPG rates cut by rupees 115.5, ATF price raised 4.2%. Next, India allows rice exports basket by already issued letter of credit. Next, Gambia government says role of maiden is syrup in that not proven yet. Next, IT laws not cherry picking option for social media firms ministry. Next, EF. Next, we comes to page number 6. On that, NITI wants infra project lagging for decades completed by financial year 2023. And next, emergency bid gale impact with ADNOC to secure LNG supply. Next, common ITR firm with focus on crypto likely. Next, despotic government weaponization of trade biggest trade says Perak. Next, India Australia talk early closure of FTA signed 7 months ago. Next, Punjab National Bank net slip 63% as NPA provision rises. Next, rate hike inflation yes, but financial stability the big goal. Then we comes to the page number 9. In that, PM calls for detailed probe into Morbi bridge strategy. Next, South India likely to record above normal rain in November. Next, Ministry 620 rupees 25,000 crore more funds for MGNE NREGS. Next, all eye on Egypt to steer climate finance towards adoption. Then we comes to page number 10. In that war profiteering, Biden trade an oil firm with windfall tax. Next, BP rakes in quarterly profit of $8.2 billion. Next, Armoco logs $42 billion profit on costly oil. Next, Credit Suisse is not for sale, says chairman. Next, Twitter board sketched Musk says he will be CEO. Next, a chapter ends Penguin merger with Simon and structure stalled. Next, fourth thing Musk hate about Twitter and wants to change. Next, Saudi firms take US Senator 6 probe. Next, cap on content tools has US election loom. Next, fuck that says Stephen King. How about $8? Ask Musk. Next, job opening in US hit 10.7 billion despite Fed's move to cool economy. Next, Sharif lands in begging to discuss economy debt. Next, Toyota profit slips 25%, cuts output target on chip wops. Next, US top court said to throw out race-based college admission. Then we comes to page number 11. It's an article section in that enhancing yields, Lola returns. Next, Allega up for logistic. Next, development and Asta. Next, how to be an activist. Then we comes to the page number then we comes to page number 15. In that, CIL powers have productivity spurt. Next, Chennai set to host Musk chosen man. Then next we comes to page number 16. On that, door open for no regulation of satellite spectrum in bill. Next, heart attack of post 91 industry in India. Then we comes to page number 17. On that, FPI regains risk appetite pump in rupees 8,430 crore in October. Next, Sensex adapt market 61,000, just 1% away from fresh all-time high. Next, China stocks roar back on reopening rumors. Next, oil rises 1% on China hopes. Next, SEBI recover proceedings collect less than 2% of dues. Next, slaps rupees 21 crore fine in Religare scam case. Next, penalizes 9 persons in Bombay dying case. Next, bail sales strategy will sustain on multiple growth opportunities. Then we comes to page number 18. On that, strong growth signal for the retail condition apply. Next, continue SIP for 8 years to avoid making loss in equities. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.